Studio Tropolite presents how to use Tropolite sugar-free cake mix. Some people skip cake because of sugar, but what if the cake skipped sugar instead? Introducing Tropolite sugar-free cake mix in vanilla and chocolate, a soft spongy base with zero sugar, specially made for customers who are diabetic or health conscious. Start by pouring 500 grams of sugar-free cake mix into a bowl. Add 200 ml water and 135 ml oil or melted butter. Mix by hand until well blended and smooth. Then pour into your molds, bar tins, muffin trays or sheet pans, whatever you prefer. Bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. Once cooled, slice and serve as is, or add sugar-free whipping topping or ganache to take it up a notch. Soft, delicious, completely sugar-free. Tropolite sugar-free cake mix makes it easy to bake for health-conscious customers without compromising on taste. Contact your Tropolite distributor today.